Take a minute to learn how to quickly combine PDFs using Preview and your Mac Finder. I'm demonstrating this using macOS Catalina, but it should also work on Mojave and Big Sur as well. Open Finder and select Gallery View. Hold down the Command key and select the files that you would like to combine. Select them in the order that you want them to appear in the combined file. When you select them, a Create PDF button will appear over here on the right. Click on it and Finder will create a new PDF in the same folder. You can do the same thing with image files and with a combination of image files and PDFs. I will add a few more files to my document and then click Create PDF. Here, I can rename my file. And now, here's the new file. I'll open it with Preview again. Remember, if the thumbnails don't appear, click here and select Thumbnails. If you didn't get the files in the right order, simply drag them to the correct location that you want them. If you have a file that's turned the wrong direction, click on that file and then just off the recording screen, select Tools at the very top of your screen, and you'll get this drop-down menu, and then rotate left or right to turn the page the way that you want it to go.